Are you ready for this? What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. Today, well, you may have seen a previous video where we're experiencing pretty extreme frame flex and have some damage. And while we were at the Grand Design National Rally, we started talking to the service members, and well, the rig is getting put into the shop.
I think we got another problem here.
Okay, so Harold's on a conference call, so I thought I would just give you a update slash recap of the last couple of weeks. Most of you know we left Pensacola, went to Indiana for the Grand Design Rally, and we were experiencing frame flex issues while we were in Pensacola. With that, at Grand Design, we chatted with them, we chatted with Moride, since our components were breaking. Welds were cracking, all of those things. It was determined that we need to get our rig in for frame flex, which we knew. But also, if the frame is twisted, bent, whatever, causing extra pressure on one side or the other of the suspension, it can cause the components to fail. So Moride took our components so that they could evaluate them. Grand Design, while they have our rig, is going to look at all of it and check to make sure everything is just squared. Today, we are packing up our rig to travel, but we are just taking it to Grand Design to drop off. Also, I don't know how long Grand Design will keep our rig. They said it is a minimum of 2 weeks for the nose frame flex issue, but if they find other things wrong, it can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, and that's just a rough estimate. We all know that things can take a lot longer than that. So we're going to pray that 2 weeks is what we're at, but we're going to prepare for the long haul. So with packing all of our stuff, I've had to figure out, like, what do we want to take with us, what do we want to keep in the rig, and what are we going to donate, because it's a great time to purge. If you guys have not ever done a purge once you're in an RV, it's really easy to accumulate a lot of stuff that you don't actually need, and so we determine if it's something we want to keep for the long haul and take to storage, or if it's something that we don't typically use that often and we're okay with doing without. And if it's something we can do without, then we determine if it's something that we can take to Goodwill, or I like to find the local charities that take donations because they tend to work closer with the families in that area. So we are working on doing that today. We'll give you a walkthrough of what the rig looks like. Currently, it is a disaster. I'm in the process of packing up the bathroom, taking stuff with us, and of course cleaning the bathroom because I don't want to come back to a dirty rig. Update on Michaela, she's doing well. I just talked to her this morning. She had her first exam yesterday, and she's going to bio today. But yeah, she's doing really well. She made friends with a few different girls and they've been hanging out daily. So she's not ever alone, except for going from one class to the other that nobody is in. And then when she's alone, she calls one of us to talk because she doesn't want to be alone. So, which is a good thing. So, all right, let's get going.
The campground has been gracious enough to give us an extra site so that we can move stuff between the rigs, and then if we get done early enough today, we could take this back to Grand Design.
Yes.
Or because of their city ordinance, they can't actually have anything outside in the parking lot overnight. we may have to take it at like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
Who knows?
So their Grand Design City, where their service center is, does not allow overnight camping, and even if the RV is parked there, they will hassle Grand Design about it being parked there.
Even if you're not sleeping in it.
Even if you're not sleeping in it. So we can't drop it off tonight. But if we get there before the last employee leaves at 2, she said that we could drop it off. But this one has conference calls.
Yeah, I mean, gosh, I hate having
a job
to work.
So
anyways, today's video, we're gonna show you getting everything moved over and then get this one back to Grand Design either today or tomorrow. And then we're gonna talk about moving into a new RV. Ready to get going?
yeah.
All right, so here is our new home for the next couple of weeks. And so we got a Momentum M-Class 381 MS, and then hopefully we get our rig back soon. Let's take a look inside. All right, well,
I think that it's got a lot of storage outside.
yeah, it's actually got more storage than I thought it would have. And we got an east-west bed. Yay.
We got a new mattress.
Yep.
It's a covered mattress. I don't know if it's new or not, but
I was gonna say, yeah, I think we can definitely make this work. It's better than hotel hopping or getting in Airbnbs, and keeps us on the road, which is nice. First thing I'm doing is trying to clean out this bay. I honestly think the storage on the other one is bigger than this one. It's crazy. Still got a little bit to go, but for the most part, it's pretty big in there. All right, if you don't know this guy right here, this is Jason. No sticks, no bricks. Check him out on YouTube.
I'm just no sticks. Jen's actually no bricks.
Okay, well, they are helping us move from one rig to the other, which is our home for the next couple of weeks. So that should be fun.
Good times.
And it's always good to have friends with you. You like it? Yeah.
That's cool.
Hi, Jen.
Hi.
This is the better half of No Sticks, No Bricks.
That's right.
Right.
Yep.
No bricks.
No.
No sticks.
So this is going way faster with help. That is for sure. All right, so this is I'm not sure what year it is, 2022, 2023, Grand Design Momentum 381M. And I think when we're done, next video, we'll do a tour of it, just in case you haven't seen a 381M before, because we've never stayed in one. I want to say thank you so much for letting us borrow this. And that person asked to remain anonymous, so not going to give the details, but we absolutely thank you. You are a lifesaver. So yeah, we're going to continue to move stuff over. We'll wait for you to come out and pull it.
I am.
Calm down.
Wow. Like a kid. Woo.
The things we do for comfort.
Oh yeah. You hear it?
That was not graceful.
I'm gonna have to set mine down. I can't go from this thing.
I mean, it's a clean patio.
Like, it's too tall for me.
Come on, shorty.
I am a shorty.
Shoddy.
Shoddy. She can do it.
I did it.
Gotta take the mattress.
I have to show you him doing his stuff before we
Do it
leave.
rough, huh? You guys are doing a great job. Fantastic work.
Great job supervising.
Look at that. It's already starting to look like home. Well, a mess. We got some stuff. Oh, we got a plant. Jeez, the wind took that door, scared the mess out of me because ours doesn't do that. Got some other stuff. All right, so I think there's a king mattress that comes in here because we took our mattress and put it in here, and we've got a lot of space on the sides. But our mattress isn't going to break down in a week. You know, we're going to be in here a while. Might as well be comfortable. Oh, so much work to do. Horrible YouTuber.
Huh?
I said I'm a horrible YouTuber. I forgot the camera.
I know.
Right.
I was like, I have to record this because, like, you want to talk to me?
Yeah. All right, everybody. 6 o'clock in the morning. We're here at Grand Design, and Jason, again, huge shout out to Jason. He brought the rig over. I'm going to hop in with him. We're going to go park this thing, and then I'm going to, yeah, we're going to drop in. We'll see it in about 6 weeks, I guess. It's going to be crazy. Also, I gotta say the F450 here looks good with the rig. The F450 looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
All right, well that's it. The rig is at Grand Design. They said 4 to 6 weeks. Look at the big old emblem on there. But anyways, they said 4 to 6 weeks for the rig. Who knows at this point? There's a lot going on with it, and we're going to give you some more details on exactly what we were seeing pretty soon. But for now, we're off to Tennessee.